Hey everyone, Annie here, coming to you from Cleveland, Ohio. Well, something interesting I learned about Cleveland. Do we have any Superman fans? Well, did you know that the Man of Steel, the iconic Superman, was created right here in Cleveland in early 1930s? You know that Superman is known for its unique powers and abilities. So I thought today I want to share with you how, just like Superman, each of us, we have our own unique qualities and I would say probably superpowers. We may not have that superpowers like be able to fly or have the super strength like the Superman. But each of us, in our unique way, based on our genetic makeup, it affects our health and how our body can react to our environment, our fitness levels. So understanding that can help you stay pain-free and healthy and prevent unnecessary injuries. Imagine knowing that based on your unique genetic makeup, that you are prone to injuries more so than the person next to you. It has nothing to do your athletic level or how good you exercise. That plays a role. But what you have genetically can make you be more prone to injuries, whether it be soft tissue injuries or ligament tears or collagen bone strength levels. So, for example, if you have COL12A1 gene, specifically the AA genotype, that will make you have be at higher risk of having ACL, like knee injuries. So knowing that, what you should be doing, you should tailor your exercises more towards strengthening the structures, supporting structures around the knee, around your hips. And on top of it, you should not be overstretching. Another example I would like to bring is if you have MMP3 gene, specifically the GG variant, that will make you more susceptible to Achilles tendon injuries, maybe Achilles tendon rupture. So in this case, what you should be doing is strengthening the structures, the muscles, the ligaments around your ankle, your plantar flexors to prevent from injuries. I cannot tell you how many times I've had clients tell me, I don't know why I'm just more prone to knee injuries. Like whatever I do, I love playing sports. I don't want to stop playing sports. But for some reason, my knees get injured over and over. Now, not every client gets a genetic testing done with me. They just see me for let's say the knee pain. But if they had done genetic testing with me, I can pretty much guarantee you most likely they would have some of these genes that's making them more susceptible to injuries, specific injuries. So, knowing this, knowing your genetic blueprint and how your body reacts to the exercises to do, you can find out how to personalize, tailor the specific exercises that are unique to you. So that way you can prevent any injuries and any trauma. Well, that is it for today, what I wanted to share with you. If you are in Cleveland, I'm hoping that I will see you tonight, that you're coming to Janet Jackson's concert. She's going to be playing at the Rocket Mortgage Fieldhouse. If you'd like to see a sample genetic blueprint, I'm going to put a link in the description. Make sure when you click the link, scroll down and you will see download sample report. That way you can see the beautiful 31-page report and all the information you can get from genetic testing. So important. Well, I will see you in the next CD. Please stay pain-free.